Okay, today I had a Brinks Model 161 and I was able to bypass it. I think it's called bypassing. I was able to like I was able to put my hook and slide upward with the tension tool, and due to a design flaw, I picked it open in under a second or under 2 seconds, whatever. Watch. Here's the Brinks lock, the tensioning tool. Alright. Put the hook in, slide up, and unlocked. It's not even that hard. Okay, let me try it again to make sure it's not a fluke. You turn with the tensioning tool. Then you insert the hook. Or try to. Then pull up with the hook. And then it's unlocked. So, let's hope you enjoyed today's video, because, yeah. Okay. That was the Brinks Brass Model 161, I think, 01 or something. That's all I have for you today. Like and subscribe if you want, and bye.